Yo dudes, check it out. This video is on YouTube and it's on the cool camera. So check this out. I finally figured everything out. The WinDV program right there can transfer all the files very easily from the tape to digital. They do come out AVI, and I tried like a converter thing to go to MP4 to use DaVinci Resolve. None of that crap worked, and so I got fed up with it, deleted it all. But this works, the WinDV to capture the footy, and then Shotcut. As cheesy as the name is, it sounds like a phone mobile editor, but it's actually really freaking good. And I've got it quite figured out. Like, figured out how to do the text and junk, and like to fade it out. And this is just a bunch of simple cuts, but you know, I figured out how to adjust the audios, and then I've got some music added in here, a bunch of basic cuts and fades and stuff. But all the stuff I need to know how to do, and I can, the same editor without doing any hoopla, I can take the files from my Nikon, the HD files, and just stick it in here, and I can have a video with the camcorder files and then the DSLR files, SD and HD in one video, same editor, no hoopla, it all just it all just works. And so I'm gonna put this clip at the beginning of this video, and then we're gonna watch this footage that I'm editing now. And yeah, I don't know if my camcorder quest is complete, but this is basically the goal, is to use the camcorder and to edit it on the computer and to go on YouTube. So yeah, quest complete, but we're still going to use this thing for other stuff. Alright, let's peep the footage. What was that editor called? I guess it's erased from my memory forever now because it sucked. Well, it was actually really good. Shotcut. It was really cool, but it ended up not working. It's not well optimized, I guess, because my computer just overheated and couldn't handle it. And I'm blaming the program because DaVinci Resolve handled my HD footage and rendering it no problem on this PC. So Shotcut, we give that a poopy 1. So now I've got open shot. I've just put a quick little yo-yo video here. Did basically nothing. Just wanted to see if this can do this, and we got it in a good old 480p and a 4:3 ratio at 60 FPS. I'm doing that. I just want to see what 60 FPS looks like on the tape. So yeah, we're gonna export this video and see if my computer can handle this one. See how optimized it is. Hey, that's a good sign. Percentages are just ripping up. All right, we'll be back. Oh yeah, and if this works, this renders fine, then I'm gonna actually found more footage on the tape that I didn't have in the original edit that I did, so I'm gonna re-edit the whole thing, and yeah, we'll have a cooler video, because this seems to be working, because in this time we've been sitting here, it's already gone up 50%, which is way farther than Shotcut got. I got like, it would render like 12 seconds, and then a blue screened once, which was scary, and then one time it just froze, and yeah, not well optimized. This seems to be going good.
Oh, you do know that's coming and it's pulled up.
What you got there? Is that your ball? Don't play through. Oh! Thief! Get him, Lies. You guys be mean, Lies.
Sora, calm your titty pants.
Where are the bunnies? Little butthead. Mr. Bun Bun. Or Miss Bun Bun. You're just a chunky bunny. What are you sniffing at? Go in the hole. Oh yeah. Bye, Miss Bun Bun. Crazy. Who knows how deep that hole goes?
You know you're very sad right now, but you're gonna be watered. Don't worry, you're gonna get a nice big gulp of water when you go back to your new house. Just gotta tuck you in first.
Ziggy Smalls is the illest. What? Ziggy Smalls is the illest. Ziggy Smalls, Ziggy Smalls is the illest. Yeah. Ziggy Smalls is the illest. Live from Bedford Stuyvesant, the livest one. Representing BK to the fullest. Gats, I pull it. Bastards ducking when Big B bucking. Chicken heads be clucking in my back room fucking. It ain't nothing. They know Big B handling with the Mac in the act door paneling. Bandaging MCs. Oxygen, they can't breathe. Mad tricks up the sleeve. Wear boxers so my dick can breathe. Breeze through with the Q45 by my side. Lyrical high. And those that brushes my clutches get put on crutches. Get smoked like Dutches from the master. Hate to blast ya, but I have to. You see, I smoke a lot. Your life is played out like Kwame and the fucking polka dots. Who rock the spot? Biggie, you know how the weed go. Unbelievable. Ziggy Smalls is the illest. 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 B-I-G-G-I-E, a.k.a. B-I-G, get it? Biggie, also known as the Bone Appetit. Rappers can't sleep, need sleeping. Big keep creeping, bullets heat seeking. Casualties need treating, dumb rappers need teaching. Lesson A, don't fuck with B.I., that's that, O.I. Thought he was whack, oh come now. Why y'all so dumb now? Hunt me or be hunted. I got 357 ways to simmer saute. I'm the winner all day. Lights get dimmer down Biggie's hallway. My forte causes Caucasians to say he sounds demented. Call weed scented. If I said it, I meant it. Bite my tongue for no one. Call me evil or unbelievable. Ziggy Smalls is the illest.
Kind of song from Fred's one. Nice.
Ziggy Smalls is the illest. Ziggy Smalls is the illest. Ziggy Smalls is the illest. Buck shots out the sunroof of Lexus coupes, leave no witnesses. What you think this is? Ain't no amateurs here. I damage and tear. MCs fear me. They too near not to hear me clearly. I'm the triple beam dream. 1,000 grams of uncut to the gut.
What a specimen. Oh shit, forgot I'm recording wasting tape. Yep.